Hello everyone, welcome to part 6, volume 1 of Project V.G.S, the gaming social site. So I'm going to quickly show you guys some sketches that I have within mobile properties of V.G.S. So this is how the menu looks when you click them. The menu here. I pretty much kept the same properties as the original site, as the original website. So anyway, so this is the menu. When you first go onto the page, you will not be visible to the login module, but you will be seeing it in your menu with options here. And this is how it'll look like if you are logged in. Your user pick, banner, followed by your gamer tag and several options here. You will scroll down if you have more options below. If you were to click the search, you will be greeted with a little intro message. Then when you type in, it'll expand with your results. Alright, so if you were to hit the help option, just like on the main site, it will greet you. You can type in the help bar and your results will come out on the right side. If you wish to blast something, you'll be entered with the same kind of message you will see in a pop-up as in the original site. Now I did something a little bit different here. I will be showing you guys this in a sec. Now here's what happens when you hit the trends. So you will be able to see the information or what you're looking at behind it, because this is a overlay instead of the original or traditional slide out menu. So once it's click trends, you'll be able to tab this. This has changed slightly, but not a lot. It's pretty much the same, straightforward with the images here. If you were to click my pages, if you're logged in, you'll be able to see the pages that you have listed here. And if you go to your user page, it'll be pretty much very similar to the original design of it. You'll see your user pick there, your banner, information, your post there, and you will be able to update if this is your page. Everything is pretty much the same how the major web, because I wanted to keep everything pretty much similar so people can better relate and better grasp towards which area they want to use, whether mobile or web. The about's going to be a little different. It'll be a tab module here. You'll be able to scroll towards the left to see the options on the right. You'll be able to click on them and it'll be visible in the main area. This is how it looks if you were to update. I haven't done that yet. I will be showing you guys that in part 7, I believe, or part 6. Maybe this part, I'm not sure. Alright, this is the gamer page. Pretty much similar to your page, except you won't be seeing a major user pick there. Alright, here's the rest of the gamer page, the discussions. If you were to click mine, the letters below on the major web, where you can click on A, B, or C and see the games or anything associated with that letter, we will now be calling that mining. If you were to click that, instead of having it on the bottom, you can then scroll here and click on the letter you wish to find or search through. Now, when you first go on to V.G.S.com, you will be greeted with the feed, everyone's feed, whether you're logged into the system or not. You will be seeing it here. You will be able to filter. I sort of moved this over here, the secondary menu, so you won't be confused here. And pretty much like any other page will be listed here. You'll be able to search top or everything. And here's what happens if you were to hit search or hit enter on your results. Once it's being filtered through, you'll be able to see your search here, just like the main site with your results below. So alright, let's get into it. Alright, so this is how it will look like. So when you first go on to VGS.com, here's a secondary menu that I was talking about. You click that, you can further sort through photos, videos, and trends. You'll be able to see the top posts or all the posts below it. And here is the menu. If you are not logged in, you'll be able to type in your gamer tag and password. And if you are new to V.G.S, you will be able to sign up. And if you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to enter it here. Very similar to this module here on the main page. Now, if you were to click trends, as I was saying before, you will be visible. You will be able to know which trends you're looking at. First, you're greeted with the top games. You can click the top gamers to see the top gamers, top discussions to see what's trending, and the overall trends to see what's trending on V.G.S. Now, you can either click the name or the X button here with your finger. So top trends, or click the X and it goes back to the major menu. And if you want to close out the menu completely, just click the top menu toggle. I haven't quite added the about yet, but when it's added, you will see the about here. Same for the legal. And we have done the help module. So if you were to click on help, same like on the major OS, you'll be greeted with the help option of asking what is your question and a greet message here. You can also learn how does it work. Same here. Learn how does it work. It tells you here. Now I made a slight change in how it works to accommodate more for the mobile users. So there it is there. You can type in your question, and when you type it, it will expand full width. Everything is relative. I just need to fix the properties to the main logo there. So anyway, when you click help, type in, it'll expand full width. Same thing that'll happen if you were to hit search with your finger. You'll be greeted with the search bar here. Type in your question, and your search results will come down here. But at first, you will be just greeted with a greeting message saying, hey, type in a search so we can better help find your results. Alright, so the mining feature here, so we're going to be calling it now, the letters here, we'll do this sort of more abbreviated letters once it's online, but the mining here, you can click on the letter and it will find or search terms that following that letter or games and whatnot. So this is the major page. Whenever you hit this, it'll load up this page automatically. So let's see what happens when you hit search. So you type in something and you click search with your thumb because this is the mobile interacting. So you will be seeing the results. You'll be seeing the count that is associated with the results. The same that happens when you type it here. You'll be seeing the results and you will be able to sort of toggle through the areas. Alright, so let's take a look at your user page. So this is how it looks. Very, very similar, very elegant, very simplistic, keeping with the original design here. Everything is relative, so the properties will match, will line up to whichever mobile device you have. So, same here, you'll be able to search feed, followers, games. Now I can't really show you on the web, but you have to take my word for it. If you were to slide left with your finger, you can then see the about feature. You fix the width on here. But anyway, you'll be able to see it here. Your gamer tags associated with your favorite consoles here, your website, and a little information about you. So, games, followers, feed, very same design. Your comment area, with your gamer tag, user pick, and menu options here that we haven't added in. We're trying to figure out how it will look like on the mobile to account different thumb or finger sizes of the different user. So let's take a look at the gamer page. So this is the gamer page. Very, very similar, pretty much almost identical to this. You'll be seeing the major banner here of the game page. If it is verified, you will see a little circle with a check mark here. You can see the feed, the overall feed, just like on the main site, the overall feed of everyone going to the page. And the pictures, I don't know if I mentioned this before, is also relative. So depending on which mobile device you have, it will always span 100% of the device size here. So you can see who's following the game page. Need to fix that there. And of course the feed, you'll be able to see the number here. Discussions, if you wish to view more, I will add in the options below. And just like here with the discussions, if you are not following a person, you will have the option to follow them, and it will immediately do it. So you can search through all the discussions there, like before. And here is how it will look like if you are logged in with the menu. So if you hit the menu, you will then be greeted with your same banner that you have with your profile pic, just to improve the user interaction. And like I was saying before, you will be able to see or kind of view the information behind it while you're looking, for instance, at your trends and whatnot here. You can then search your pages there, and it'll go towards the page. So you can view the content there. You can then go to your settings if you're logged in. You're then greeted with more options with like the logout and the settings, my pages, and blast. So if you were to hit the blast feature, I haven't yet added it to this here. This is kind of generic, but I will be adding it. And you guys are going to see just in a second what makes that really amazing. So if you were to hit blast, you then have the option to cancel before you even start anything. So anyway, you hit blast, you can then pick who you're blasting to. You can type in your message, and you won't be able to blast until you select here what you want to do with it. Again, everything is full width to accommodate the mobile properties. So if you were to click post, then you can then further add in the image, cancel, then you can send it off. And you can post it to this user, or you can send that user a message. Then in this case, it's myself. I'm going to have listeners set into place just in case you're not messaging yourself and sending discussions to yourself. That's just for game pages. So you get the general idea. You can pick whichever one you want to use. You can click cancel and it goes back to the major menu. If you want to blast again, it goes from the start again. Alright. So I believe that's all that we have to show you. I'll be showing you guys the settings in the next page. I hope you like this video. Please comment below and let me know what you think. Hello everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and giving us feedback. Please subscribe, follow, and like us on the various social media. Be sure to visit us at avion.com to browse our projects, designs, and learn more about our many other services we offer. Learn how to get designs, projects, and more creative for free.